But at first you don't succeed. You can dust it off and try again. Dust yourself.
Welcome back to my channel.
Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. What's up, Brit Fam? What is going on? So today's a little bit different. I only have my base on. This highlight is the Peach by Jackie and Artist Couture, if you want to know more. But that rhymed. So today I'm going to be featuring the Morphe 35V Stunning Vibes palette, and this is what it looks like. This right here, very pretty, very pretty. So as always, you know, like, it's all these colors. I usually play in neutrals anyway, but all of these right here are gorgeous. Like this shade, oh my god, I'm just in love with this row right here. So I'm gonna put swatches in at the end of the video. So right now I'm just gonna get right into it. So I'm going to now take my that's fine, a proper brush. So I'm going to take this Morphe M30 brush, and I'm just going to start in my crease, and I'm going to be taking the shades. I'm going to be taking the shade Spice right here, just to use it as my transition shade or whatever. So yeah. So, have you guys seen the Morphe holiday collection? I am living for it. I'm really devastated because I really wanted that 35B palette, but with the palettes that they're coming out with, I really don't mind. And a lot of times, you can just go ahead and get the single shadows, even though the palette is more convenient. This is really like blending nice. But anyway, so I'm just really using it to put this in my crease as my transition. Taking that same Morphe brush, I am now going to go right into this green right here, which is called Devoted. And I'm just going to start right here. Oh, you know what? I'm tripping. Wait, now that I think about it, I'm tripping. I need to put a little bit of translucent powder just in case if it's any fallout, it won't ruin my base. That's why I usually don't do my eyes after I do my base, just because of that right there. So if any fallout comes, you know, I'll just be able to sweep it away. Hopefully. So anyways, going back in with that green shade. I'm just packing it on right now. I'm gonna bring this over into my crease. So I'm just really trying to just keep this rounded as much as possible. I'm really not trying to do the normal, you know, go up like that. No, we're not doing it today. So yeah, so I'm not going to bring that all the way over into my crease. I'm just going to, you know, bring it in halfway. or whatever. And I'm just going to do the same for this eye. So far so good. Not a lot of fallout, which is great. Usually, you know, when it comes to the darker shades, they are harder to blend out, but so far I'm not having an issue. Like, not really having an issue with the blend of this at all. And they're really soft. So I'm just doing the same thing that I did over there. For this step, I'm going to cut my crease, and I'm going to use the shade Ride or Die. Sounds like me, because, you know, I need a ride or die shade. But anyway, now I'm going to cut this crease, and I'm just using the LA Girl Pro Concealer in the shade Fawn to do so. And I'm just going to take a little bit on the back of my hand or whatever. And don't mind, you know, he making his usual debut. So I'm just gonna take my my MAC 231 brush, and I'm just gonna cut the crease. I'm just gonna bring some of that color back. So now I'm gonna go in. So I'm gonna take a little synthetic brush and see, like, it applies really pretty, but I'm gonna wet it and see how it applies then. But this is really gorgeous. Oh my goodness. I am living. This is really, really gorgeous. This is low-key gorgeous. She went outside, Jeremiah. So it was no fallout. So that's a plus. So I'm just going to take my powder brush and wipe that translucent powder away. I'm going to do my other eye off camera, and I'll be right back. So what I did, I finished this eye, and I also just put a little bit of the Urban Decay 24/7 Glide On Pencil Perversion. And now I also did my inner corner highlight, as well as under my lower lash line, and I just took that same grain and a little bit of this towards the inner corner. And I also used this blue, no, I'm sorry, wrong blue, this blue right here, which is called Room for Two. So that's what I did. Overall, I think this is really, really pretty. It wasn't my full on green look that I was originally going to do. So now I'm just going to coat my lashes with the Double Decker Lashes by Butter London. This is what it looks like. Come on, focus. And this is just, I guess, in black. So I'm just going to take that and coat my lashes. So for lashes, I'm going to be using the Lash Kitty premium eyelashes in the volume 9. This is what they look like. Very pretty packaging. I love this packaging. So I'm going to use these right here in the middle. There's no name, it's just volume 9. And I'm going to do that, and I'll be back and tell you my thoughts on this palette. So now I applied my lashes. It's coffee season. So now for lips, I'm going to take this NYX Lingerie in the shade Beauty Mark. And I'm just going to apply that to my lips. Ooh.
Bring it on, for I am king of family fun. Just please watch the hair. Watch the hair. Oh, let's go.
So, as you can see, very pretty brownish, taupey-ish color. I really like this. It's a perfect nude for my skin color. So if you're like around my skin tone, this would be perfect for you. So this is the final look. I had already set my face and everything. So my final thoughts on this palette right here. This palette is really, really nice. It's really, you can go from everyday to night to event, whatever. Or if you just want to pop a color, that's what I like about it. I also have the Morphe 35M Boss Mode, I believe it's called. So I'll be doing a video on that, and that will be up on Wednesday. This video will probably be going up a little bit later. It's probably like around, I want to say like 4 p.m. Usually I try to get my videos up at 3 p.m. So I might actually be switching my time from 3 p.m. to 6 p.m. because now that I'm working a little bit again, it'll just be a little bit more convenient and a little bit more feasible because my hours are 11 to 3. So it'll be pretty hard unless I like pre-film a whole lot. But other than that, yeah, this is the final look. As far as my base, I just used my Lancome Tint Idole in the shade 500 Suede. For my brows, I use my ColourPop Brow Boss pencil. And concealer, I use the Clinique 2-in-1 foundation / concealer. And for my powders, I just use the Laura Mercier and also the Too Faced Ethereal setting powder. My blush is Anastasia Beverly Hills in Gradient. And yeah, I think that's pretty much. And of course, my highlight is this beauty right here. So this is the end of the video. So please like, subscribe, comment, give me your feedback. Let me know. Let me know what you guys want to see. I'm definitely, like I said, I'm definitely going to try to get better with uploading because this is something that I really do hold dear to my heart, and it's what I really love to do and I'm passionate about. So you can follow me on Instagram, and you can also follow me on Snapchat and Twitter. I did just do another Twitter just specifically beauty related. So with that, I'm going to insert my swatches, and I will see you guys on the next one. Bye.
First you don't succeed. You can dust it off and try again.